morning, my first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. I hope that you had a wonderful weekend and are ready to go with your math for this week. As always, I need for you to make a prediction for today's calendar card. What could be hiding behind there? Let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be an equation on today's calendar card? Now, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this calendar card. Okay, first graders, so we see on our calendar card today the equation 11 equals 5 plus some number. We also know that we can use a number tree to help us figure out our answer to that missing number. So let's fill out our number tree. We know that the total is 11. We know that 5 plus some number is going to equal 11. Now let's fill out our equation here. We have 11 equals 5 plus some number. So Miss Kyler's going to use her fingers to figure out what number is missing. You can use dots, your fingers, or any other math technique you have to figure out a missing add-in. So I'm going to start at 5 and I'm going to count up to 11. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Miss Kyler just put up 6 fingers. So we can now add a 6 to our equation. We know that 6 is our mystery number, so let's keep going. So first graders, remember whenever we say our date, we always start with the day of the week. So let's go ahead and say our date 2 times. Today is Monday, January the 11th, 2021. Okay, one more time together. Today is Monday, January the 11th, 2021. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our days of the week. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And from our calendar, we know that today is Monday. So first graders, I want you to use your reading brain and read with me. Yesterday was. If today is Monday, what was yesterday? It was Sunday, and I hope you had a fantastic Sunday. Now read with me, first graders. Tomorrow will be. If today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? Tuesday. Let's keep going. Now let's go ahead and say our months of the year, and you know we always stop at our current month, and we start with the first month. So all we have to say for today is January, because January is the first month and it's the month that we are currently in. So I'm going to go ahead and circle January. Let's change that color. There we go. Now, let's go ahead and write our date 2 different ways. We can write our date using numbers and also the abbreviation for the month. So we know that January is the first month of the year. Today is the 11th. And our year is 2021. But you know me, and I'm only going to write the 2 last digits, the 2 and that 1. Now, I'm going to write the abbreviation for January and bring down my date because it's the 11th day of January, comma, all 4 digits for our year, 2021. Now, my first graders, my favorite part, how many days have we been learning and growing together? On last week, we had been learning together for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77 days. Today is a brand new day, so let's go ahead and add one more. So if we count up one more, that puts us at 78 days of learning and growing together. Now, first graders, here's our two-digit number, 78, and here's how we write 78. And we know that 78 is a two-digit number. We have a 10, we have a tens place and a ones place. So looking at this two-digit number, we know the tens place is in the front, so we have a 7, and we know the ones place is in the back, and we have an 8. Now, first graders, for this whole month, we are collecting money, and we know penny, 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 easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. And we also have a dime, 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 little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So now let's go ahead and collect our money for this week. Okay, first graders, so now let's go ahead and collect some pennies and dimes. I'm going to go ahead and give my spinner a spin, and we see that we have landed on 2 pennies and 1 dime. So let me move over 1 cent and another 1 cent and a dime, 10 cents. Okay, my first graders, so far we have collected more pennies than dimes. Well, I can't wait to see what we get on tomorrow. Now, my first graders, I want for you to go ahead and get ready to click on that button and go to the next slide to start on your Class Kick assignment. I will see you later. Bye-bye.